channel. So I just wanted to hop in and tell you guys what all I got for Christmas. Just kind of show you the makeup version of it. I mean, of course, there's other things, but I just wanted to hop in and show you guys what I got. So with that being said, let's just jump in real quick. So this is mostly going to be focused on like makeup, skincare kind of things, like beauty related products. Of course I got other things, but I don't necessarily think you guys are interested in that, so I'm not going to show it. So yeah, let's just jump in. It's a mixture between like drugstore and high-end products. The first things that I got a Real Technique sponge because I've never used this before and I wanted it. This I got from my honey bunny. He's the bomb. It's a lot different than a beauty blender. I expected it to be more similar. It's not as soft and squishy, but it's very smooth and does blend out well, if that makes sense. I don't know if I like it better or worse than a beauty blender. I think I like my beauty blender a little bit better, but I could definitely see just using this like really fast on something that's easy, not on something that you really need to work with though. The next thing is I got the 2 mini beauty blender sponges for like contouring or your concealer. I have not used these yet, but I am excited to because I like the beauty blender one, but I find that it's too small. And these are a little bit bigger. So like dry, of course. This is the beauty blender one. This is the Real Techniques one. You can see that it's much larger dry. But this doesn't expand as much as a beauty blender does. It still expands, just not as much. Okay, staying along the same lines of drugstore, I got the Coty Airspun powder. Of course, I wanted this one. I asked for it. It came with a stocking stuffer. I was real happy. There's a lot in here, like a lot. 2.3 ounces. That's crazy. It kind of smells funny. I've been using it a couple times and I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it. It's just a translucent powder. I used it today. I think I stayed pretty matte. What do you guys think? I used the YSL All Hours foundation with it. If that tells you anything. The next thing that I just got in order to hit the $50 and get free shipping from Ulta. It's the NYX glitter, like face and body glitter, in the shade 03. It doesn't have like a teal. So it's like a bluish shade. Here, I'll show you the swatch here in a second. It's just like straight glitter. Like, can you guys see that? Will it focus? Will it focus? Kind of. It's hard to tell on camera, but you kind of get the idea. It's a teal color. And the next thing that I got is from ColourPop. It's from my sister. This is the matte, ultra matte lip in the shade Mama. So it's a burnt orange shade. Looks like that there. She said that she was looking online and I was looking over her shoulder and was like, ooh, that's really pretty, and so she ordered it for me. I was like, thanks, Dano. Quick, before I forget, I also got new lights and a backdrop. Hey! So that's why I look so, like, luminous, is because I actually have, like, real filming lights now and a backdrop, and my beauty room is so congested from it, but I love it, so I couldn't ask for a better present, honestly. Moving on, the next, I'm gonna just save skincare and do all of skincare at once. Is that cool? I hope that's cool with you guys. I'm just gonna throw this in because it's kind of related. I got these from my boyfriend's grandma, Nana. They are the Invisibobble hair rings, so they're like hair ties, but they don't leave like marks in your hair. So like if you leave your hair up all day and you let it down, it has like indents, but this doesn't do that. And so I think it's pretty cool. The thing is though that they do stretch out, but I have found that if I put them back in the, like if I scrunch them back down, which of course they're gonna pop back out, but if I put them back in the container, they don't stay that stretched outness, which I like because I have a lot of hair. But yeah, there's 3 in here. I believe they retail for $8. Like we carry them at Sephora, but I doubt she got them there. But they're like $8 for the 3 of them, and I wanted to try them, but not wanting to spend the money on them. Next thing, moving on to high end. These 2 things I ordered myself, but Landon made me wait until Christmas to have them, so I'm counting them as Christmas presents, okay? I'm counting them. So they are the 2 Dose of Color sets from Ulta. This one, this is the Snuggle is Real set and then a Holiday set. They look like this. The Snuggle is Real is more nude tones. You open it up and this is what it looks like. They have 3 like nudie shades. I'll swatch them for you. This one is in the shade Let's Cuddle. Looks like that. Let me know down below if you guys want me to do a video on these. I got the shade Lazy Daisy, which is actually the shade that I have on right now. I wore it to work today. Sorry, the like mirror's like over there and I'm not used to it because I have like this all new setup now. But I really like it and I thought it complemented my eye makeup really well. This is Lazy Daisy. There's like glitter there and I don't want to get it in the applicator. Bella! Let me see if I can wipe some of this glitter off. But there you have the Lazy Daisy there. Then the last pink shade is Warm and Fuzzy. It's warmer. Very pretty though. I like these because they're more neutral colors. The Dose of Color liquid lip that I have right now is an orange, like a burnt orange shade. You guys have seen me use it before. I really loved the formula, so I wanted to get some more of them. And I think, like, I've had this on since about 4 o'clock, and it's now 9:40 So you can see it lasted 6 hours-ish, 5.5, 6 hours on my mouth. And it hardly looks bad. And that's with drinking things too. Like there's like an inner circle, but like other than that, it's still pretty stunning. The other set is the Holiday set. Looks like this. The first shade is called Bittersweet, and these are vegan by the way, and they're made in the US. But this one is Bittersweet, so it's like that hot pinky red color. And then we have Strawberry Pop, which is a little bit more like a pinky to it, not as vibrant, like not as electric, though equally as stunning. And the last one is Extra Saucy. I think I'm really gonna like this color. Ooh, that's pretty. I put it up top there. Very pretty. So yeah, those are the 2 lip sets that I kind of bought myself and had to wait until Christmas to get, but it's okay. The next lip set that I got is from my Honey Bunny. It's the Nude Sticks set. It's called the What Your Mattes Nudes and Reds. They have like another one, but I didn't want that one. I wanted this one. It has a tin inside with 3 lipsticks and a sharpener, which is nice because you can always use a sharpener. This is just the sharpener that's like that. And then the sticks, there's 3 of them. There's the shade Royal, Retro, and Purity. And I'm going to swatch them really fast for you. Just so we have, where can I put this? This one's Purity. I've worn this one like twice already. Right there. Purity. Retro is next to it. A little darker. A little bit warmer as well. And lastly Royal, which is a true red. I really like the formula of these, and I want to get the nude, like the bigger set, like the artist one. So it's a really pretty color. I can't like get a good like showing of it. I can't bend like that. Ha! There we go. Anyways, yep. That is that. What is next that I got? Oh, I got 2 100-point perks. I mean, hey, they count, right? I got the Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip Color because I really like the other Bobbi Brown lipstick that I got from in the Sephora Favorites box set that I don't know if I showed you guys that one because there was something wrong with the video, I think. But it's a really, really pretty, like, pinky color, if it will focus. There you go. I'm just gonna swatch it right there. Because why not? Oh, my battery's running low. Oh no! Gotta hurry, gotta hurry, gotta hurry. I got this Tom Ford one because I've never tried a Tom Ford anything. It looks like this. Oh, that, by the way, that Bobbi Brown one was in the shade Neutral Rose, and this one was in the shade Indian Rose. A little rose. And I'm just putting it next to it. It's the more sheer one. It's a little bit lighter. Okay, then I got 2 palettes to show you guys. I got the Urban Decay Heavy Metals one from my sister. Looks like this. Sorry, I'm like grabbing the shadow, but I'm trying to do this before my camera dies. Looks like this. I think it's really, really pretty. You can kind of see my lights, but it's kind of like, there's kind of like a glare from it. But, so yeah, looks like that. I could swatch a couple of them for you. I have it underneath. I have, like, this is what I'm wearing in my eyes right now. So you can kind of tell. It's really pretty though. We'll go for the purple, blue, gold, and the burnt orange. Look like that. I'm running out of room to swatch things. So you can see that's one swipe. They're really pretty and really pigmented. I also got the chocolate gold palette from my father-in-law, Landon's dad. Looks like this. Smells like chocolate. Has chocolate and gold in it, like cocoa and gold in it. Very pretty, very pretty. Looks like that. This gold shade is my absolute favorite. It does have a couple of mattes in it as well. I'm running out of, but you guys could kind of, I don't know how well you can see the reflectiveness of it, but she's really stunning. It's just such a pretty, like, color scheme. Oh, I love it. Like, I like it better than the original chocolate bar. And if you guys know, I didn't really like that one that much. I kind of swatched a few up there. So pretty though. I'm so excited. I also won this one at work. I don't know if I can count that as like a holiday thing that I got, but I won the Peachy Match one. They're all mattes. If you want me to swatch them, I can in a different video. Like, you do a look with that. It's really pretty though. They're just all matte shades. I also got this lash set. I have a pair on right now. It looks like this. Woo! It's by the Sephora and House of Lashes set. It comes with 12 pairs and 2 full-size lash glues. I like these. These seem to be much more comfortable than any lashes I've worn. And I didn't have a hard time getting them on either. Like, they went on really well, and I think they look really pretty. Like, a lady asked me if these were my natural lashes today. So, the last 4 things are skincare. I believe that's it. I got Bum Bum Cream, my favorite cream ever. It smells amazing, and it's just the love of my life, honestly. Oh, thank you, Landon. It smells so good. I got the Ultra Repair Cream for my sister in the jumbo size. It was a 12 ounce, which they don't sell at Sephora, but only like once a year. It's just like a super hydrating cream that's safe, good enough for eczema and whatnot, and because I have sensitive skin, I like to use something like this. I'm very excited to put that on my face. I got this body cream by Bath & Body Works from my mom. It's in the scent Champagne Toast or Sparkling Bellini. It smells very like sweet. It just smells really, really good, like something I've eaten before. I wish I could think of what it is. Does it have like notes? Pink champagne, black currant, shimboard, sparkling nectarine, and sugared musk. It just smells really, really good. And the shea butter helps, along with aloe and cocoa butter, help you like stay super hydrated. And lastly, I got the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion for my body because I was using the Aveeno one and then what's the other one I was using? Lubriderm, and I just don't like them as much. Like the Lubriderm one, I don't like the scent of it or the feeling, and the Aveeno one I don't feel like sinks into my skin. So I'm hoping that this one does better, and I like the smell of it too, I believe, if I remember correctly. I still kind of smell the Bellini. Yeah, that's better. I like that better. So yeah, that's what I got for Christmas makeup wise, you guys. Leave a comment down below what you got and like this video, and if you like videos like this, I'm gonna have another haul soon, I think, coming. But we shall see. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!